Hello guys, good morning everyone, the honorable person, our lecturer and all of beloved friends. Let's introduce our group. We are from Group 3 Applied Business Administration Class 2B Evening. In this presentation, we will discuss about Master of Ceremony and Moderator in a meeting. The first material will be presented by Fauzia. Fauzia, time is yours.
Definition of Master of Ceremony and Moderator. First, Master of Ceremony. A person who presides the forms to be observed on a public opportunity. Next, Moderator. Someone who presides over an assembly, meeting, or in charge of the discussion and assure that this is arranged in a fair and organized way.
What is the difference between an MC and a moderator? Number 1. Type of events. MC is usually a guest in a series of events that are more general in nature, while the moderator is a guest or organizer of the events in the form of discussion or presentation from a research person. Number 2. Series of events. In general, an MC is responsible for the entire series of events, from the beginning to the end of the events. On the other hand, a moderator specifically only serves in a certain series of the event in the form of discussion or question and answer. Number 3. Content. The flow of an MC communication content is more organized and organized systematically. The moderator's content is actually not much improvisation and tends to only ask the research person, but the moderator can also respond to the answer from the research person to make the atmosphere more lively. Number 4. Characteristic. An MC must have personable characteristic. That is, an MC must be able to establish interaction with the audience so that the audience's attention is maintained during the event. A moderator must be knowledgeable. This means that the moderator must know enough information about the issues discussed by the research person in order to trigger interaction and ask meaningful questions to the research person at the event.
Master of Ceremony role. As MC, your role is to prepare welcoming the attendants to an event. Prepare speech for the event based on discussion with the organizer and prepare the introduction they need to give to other attendees or speakers. As a MC, you must be contact with your client, audience, the organizer, all the team and staff, the speakers, and any other entertainers so you know what to do when you are leading the event. Master of Ceremony should be able to help maintaining the appropriate energy level the audience, so it will make the event atmosphere look more interesting and attractive. Next, want to be an MC for your next corporate event? Here are 8 steps. First, prepare an introduction. Second, stay humble. Third, set the tone for the event. 4. Maintain time famous. 5. The transition between speakers. 6. Prepare to improvise. 7. Microphone etiquette. And then 8. Have a closing speech prepared.
Master of Ceremony. There are several requirements that must be possessed by a MC is as follows. 1. Broad knowledge and experience. 2. Smart. 3. Have a sense of humor. 4. Have vision when confronted by the audience when the situation is chaotic. 5. Imagination. 6. Enthusiastic, humble, and friendly. And the last, have the ability to work together.
Example of MC script for seminar event. 1. Opening. 2. Singing the national anthem. 3. Welcome. 4. Material presentation. 5. Discussion and question and answer. 6. Prayer. 7. Closing.
As a moderator, your main role is as a host who welcomes and unites everyone. Help your groups get to know each other and facilitate conversation by sharing details you know about them. You also need to consider your audience, speaker, and panel presenter as your guests. Before you lead a seminar or other event, you must understand the topics you are going to share and their goals and what each speaker brings to the table. Try to understand why the audience wants to attend these sessions, and you need to make them all feel welcome, comfortable, and understood together. 10 participle tips for every event moderator. The first, the throat research. The second, know your participants. Third, prepare the perfect opening line. 4. Memorize the speakers' names. 5. Be radically neutral. 6. Be the bridge between the speaker and the audience. 7. Allow the audience enough time to formulate questions. And the last, always ask one question at a time.
Skills that a moderator must have. Number 1. Have broad insight or knowledge so that you can keep the discussion atmosphere alive and have a meaningful conversation. 2. Communication skills and mastering the stage to present a discussion program that is not only beneficial from an academic point of view, but also entertains the audience. 3. Can provide a conclusion from the result of discussion that have been carried out.
Example of moderator text in a presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect the supervisor of the class management course, which I am proud of all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila, a representative from a group 3. We lead off discussion this morning. Alhamdulillah, this morning we will continue our lectures, namely the submission of paper from group 2 by Ahmad and Agus. We will discuss the urgency of the class management. The agenda for us discussion today includes opening, submission of materials, question and answer session, input or direction for supervisor, and closing. Example of moderator text in a presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect the supervisor of the class management course, which I am proud of all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila, a representative from a group 3. We lead off discussion this morning. Alhamdulillah, this morning we will continue our lectures, namely the submission of paper from group 2 by Ahmad and Agus. We will discuss the urgency of the class management. The agenda for us discussion today includes opening, submission of materials, question and answer session, input or direction for supervisor, and closing. Alright friends, let's just start with the first session, which is the opening. Let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next is the delivery and presentation of the material. I invite Bunga to read the first material. Thank you group 2 for the material. That's the delivery of the speaker about the urgency of class management. Entering the next session, which is a question and answer session. In this discussion, the session will be open to ask question, 3 per session. To friends who want to ask questions, so they can raise their hands. That was the presentation of group 2. Let's say Alhamdulillah. I, as a moderator, apologize for the shortcoming and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.